friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Freddy Fazbear from Five Nights at Freddy's for beginners. And don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with the nose. So right in the center we're going to draw in an arch line. We're going to do the exact same underneath, curving this down, pulling that back up on the right. Let's move across. From that corner on the left, we're going to curve this all the way around, tucking that over and into the center. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right as well, curving this over and then pulling that back into the middle. Let's move in on the top. We're going to draw in a small circle on the left. We'll replicate that circle on the right at the same height as well. Let's come down on a diagonal from that, drawing in our second circle. And then coming down on a diagonal on the bottom, just drawing in another circle as well. Let's come up for the eyes. So right in the middle, stepping over on the left, we're going to curve this up, pulling that down on the left, leaving a gap. We'll replicate that on the right-hand side as well. Now on the top for the eyelid, we're going to curve this line over. Draw in a half circle underneath for the eye, so we're just going to curve this over and through to the nose. And then we'll continue to round that out, pulling that in on the top. Let's draw in another half circle right in the center, so curving this around and up. We're going to draw in a small circle to the left now for the highlight. And then directly underneath that, let's just draw in another small circle in the middle for the pupil. And we're just going to color that center one in black. Now let's add in the eyebrow. So right above, we're just going to curve this line over. Curve this out on the opposite side. And then we'll do the same in the middle. And then now we'll just close this off directly on the top. Let's come up for the hat now. So in the middle, we're going to curve this across to the right. We'll draw a straight line coming up on either side. Again, on the top, just drawing in another curved line, pulling that out. Now in the middle for the hat, stepping over on the left, we're going to curve this line up to the top, replicating that on the right hand side as well, ending that at the same height. We'll close that off on the very top here with a curved line, and then coming down underneath, just curving that across again to the right. Let's come through on the edge here, curving that across to the middle. Now for the head, from that edge, we're going to curve this over and down. We're just going to end that at the same height. And then we're going to round the cheek out here, curving this out and pulling that in. Let's add in the ears now. So stepping across, we're just going to curve this down, leaving a gap. And then we'll draw two diagonal lines coming in to the side of the head. Let's close off the top of the ear. So from that edge, we're going to round this out, curving this all the way over, pulling that in on the bottom. And we'll replicate that on the right as well. Now right in the center again, curving that over. And then moving up above, curving this all the way around and tucking that in on the bottom again. Now let's come down for the mouth. So on the left, we're going to draw a straight line coming down. Same thing on the right. And then we'll close this off underneath with a curved line. Let's come over again. So we're going to draw in two more straight lines. And then again, we'll just close that off underneath with a curved line. Now on both sides, let's just draw in a small straight line that comes up for the teeth. And then we're going to close this off with a curved line on the very top pulling that over. In the center, let's draw a small straight line. And moving out, we'll draw in another straight line on both sides. Stepping across one more time to finish that off. Let's draw on the bow tie, so right in the middle, we're going to draw in a circle. Underneath, let's round that edge out, curving that over, pulling that back in. And then from that point in the center, curving that back around and through on the top. And that is it. That's how you draw Freddy Fazbear from Five Nights at Freddy's for beginners. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.